What if I told you your body performs miracles every night, while you're unconscious? What really happens when you sleep might just blow your mind. You're not just resting. Inside you, a high-tech system kicks into overdrive, repairing, detoxing, organizing memories, and even rewiring your brain. But there's one thing it does that's more powerful than we ever imagined. Stick around, because you'll never take sleep for granted again. Phase 1. The power down, light sleep. As you drift off, your body starts slowing down. Heart rate drops, breathing becomes steady. But your brain? It's sorting through the noise of the day, deleting useless data, keeping only the gold. Phase 2. Deep sleep, the repair zone. Now your body enters maintenance mode. This is when cells repair, tissues regrow, muscles rebuild, and your immune system strengthens. It's like your body is running software updates. And if you skip this phase, you're not just tired, you're vulnerable. Phase 3. REM sleep, the wild one. Your brain lights up like you're awake. Why? Because REM is where dreaming, emotional healing, and creative problem-solving take place. Ever solved a problem in your sleep? That's REM working for you. But here's the crazy part. During REM, your body paralyzes itself, on purpose, so you don't act out your dreams. Your brain is awake, your body is frozen. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Here's the twist. Lack of sleep doesn't just make you tired. It shrinks your brain, raises your risk of Alzheimer's, weakens your immune system, and literally rewires how you make decisions. And get this, the toxins cleared from your brain during deep sleep, they build up when you skip rest. And some researchers believe that buildup is linked to memory loss and aging. So the next time you think sleep is for the weak, remember, it's actually your superpower. Want more hidden science about how your body works? Hit that like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs better sleep. Sweet dreams.